Welcome back, Mogverse. Today we're taking a deep and honest look at one of the most legendary off-road vehicles ever built, the Unimog U404. Even in 2025, this classic machine continues to attract collectors, off-road enthusiasts, and military vehicle fans from around the world. The U404 is not just an old truck, it's a symbol of German engineering, durability, and extreme off-road performance that still earns respect decades after it first appeared. The Unimog U404 was originally developed primarily for military use, and that purpose is clearly reflected in its design. Built by Mercedes-Benz in the 1950s and 1960s, the U404 was engineered to survive harsh terrain, unpredictable weather, and demanding missions where reliability was more important than comfort. When you look at the U404 today, its boxy shape, high ground clearance, and rugged stance instantly tell you that this vehicle was made to work, not to impress with luxury. Under the hood, the Unimog U404 is typically powered by a naturally aspirated inline six-cylinder gasoline engine. Depending on the exact variant, engine output usually sits around 80 to 90 horsepower. On paper, that number might seem low by modern standards, especially in 2025, but horsepower was never the main focus of the U404. What truly matters here is torque delivery, gearing, and mechanical simplicity. The engine is designed to run reliably for long periods, even in extreme conditions, with minimal electronic dependency. One of the biggest strengths of the Unimog U404 is its drivetrain. It comes with permanent four-wheel drive, portal axles, and locking differentials. These features give the U404 extraordinary off-road capability even by modern standards. Portal axles provide exceptional ground clearance without raising the center of gravity too much, allowing the vehicle to crawl over rocks, deep ruts, mud, and uneven terrain with ease. In real-world off-road situations, the U404 can often outperform newer vehicles that rely heavily on electronic traction systems. The transmission in the Unimog U404 is another highlight. Most models feature a multi-speed manual gearbox with low-range gearing that allows precise control at very low speeds. This makes the U404 ideal for technical off-road driving, steep climbs, and heavy-duty tasks. In 2025, many off-road enthusiasts still prefer this mechanical driving experience because it offers direct feedback and full control, something modern automatic systems sometimes lack. When it comes to on-road performance, the Unimog U404 is clearly not designed for speed. Top speed usually ranges between 50 to 60 miles per hour, depending on gearing and condition. Highway driving can be loud and tiring, as sound insulation is minimal and the suspension is tuned for off-road durability rather than comfort. Steering feels heavy, and braking distances are longer compared to modern vehicles. However, anyone buying a U404 in 2025 understands these limitations and accepts them as part of the vehicle's character. Ride comfort is basic, especially in original military configurations. The cabin is simple, functional, and focused on durability. Seats are firm, controls are straightforward, and visibility is excellent thanks to the upright windshield and high driving position. For many owners, this raw and mechanical driving experience is exactly what makes the Unimog U404 special. It feels honest, purposeful, and free from unnecessary complexity. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Unimog U404 is not economical by modern standards. The gasoline engine consumes a significant amount of fuel, especially during off-road use. In 2025, fuel costs are an important consideration, and this is one area where the U404 clearly shows its age. Many owners accept this trade-off, while others convert their vehicles to diesel engines or modern powertrains to improve efficiency and usability. Maintenance and reliability are strong points for the Unimog U404, provided the vehicle is well cared for. The mechanical simplicity means fewer electronic components that can fail. Parts availability remains